advantage, high performance and ultra precision. Full function welding table, AIFEN 9. The welding table is compatible with 115, 210 and 245 3 handles. Product standard 210 handle. 120 watt high power, rapid temperature rise, ready to use. The set temperature can be reached in 2 seconds. Components of AIFEN 9. Heating core puller. The heating core can be quickly replaced during operation. No other aids are required. Storage box. Easy to place heating core. 3 sets of storage channel keys can store different temperatures. Short press for 1 second to read. Press and hold for 3 seconds to save. Set key. Short press to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Pick up the handle and press it for temperature calibration. Customers can calibrate the temperature themselves. Temperature setting key. Aluminum handle bracket. HUB. Copper wire cleaner. High temperature cotton. There are quick instructions for laser printing at the bottom of the machine.